My dear students, I want to discuss problem number 3, which was asked in Foreign Set 2015. Find whether the following functions is differentiable at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 or not. Function of x is equal to x if x less than 1. Function of x is equal to 2 minus x if 1 less than equal to x, x less than equal to 2. And function of x is equal to minus 2 plus 3x minus x square if x greater than 2. Now, let us start to solve this problem. Given function x is x if x less than 1, 2 minus x if 1 less than equal to x, x less than equal to 2, minus 2 plus 3x minus x square if x greater than 2. Now we check the differentiability of the function at the point x is equal to 1. So my dear students, we want to determine left hand side derivative at 1. Now limit h tends to 0, f1 plus h minus f1, and at x is equal to 1 when x greater than 1. X greater than 1. So we have this rule, fx is equal to 2 minus x if 1 less than equal to x, x less than equal to 2. So if x greater than equal to 1, then the value of the function is 2 minus x. So for right hand side differentiability, we take this branch. Keep in your mind. So function of 1 plus h minus f1 by h is 2 minus 1 plus h minus 1 by h. And it will be minus h by h. And it will be minus 1. So the value of right hand side differentiability at the point 1 is minus 1. And value of left hand side derivative at the point 1 will take here this branch. The value of function is x. So we put function of 1 minus h minus f1 by minus h is equal to 1 minus h minus 1. And this will be also 1. So my dear student, what do you observe? We observe that function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 because right hand side derivative at 1 is not equal to left hand side derivative. So while solving the problem of differentiability, you must decide which will be the value of function for what will be the value of function for right hand side derivative and what will be the value of the function at left hand side derivative. This is very, very important. I hope you have followed me. Now we want to discuss the differentiability of the function at x is equal to 2. So for right hand side derivative at x is equal to 2, f2 function of 2 plus h minus f2, and the value of the function when fx greater than 2 is this branch, minus 2 plus 3x minus x square. So we put this value, minus 2 plus 3 into 2h minus 2 plus h square minus 0. And after solving, we get the result, limit h tends to 0, minus 1 minus h, that is equal to minus 1. Similarly, for left hand side derivative at point 2, we have f2 minus h minus f2. And when the value of function is less than 2, we have the value of function is equal to fx is equal to 2 minus x. So you put here, we put here 2 minus x, 2 minus h minus 0. And it will be plus h by minus h. So limit h tends to 0, minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So what do we observe? We observe that the value of right hand side derivative and left hand side derivative at the point 2 is equal. So my dear student, in this way we can solve this problem. Now I want to solve the problem number 4, which was asked in Delhi 2010. My dear student, it is long, but I hope now you can decide what is the value of the function when x less than 2 and x greater than 2. So now the value of function f(x) is equal to 3x minus 2 if 0 less than x less than 1, 2x square minus x if 1 less than x less than equal to 2, and 5x minus 4 if x greater than 2. For differentiability at x is equal to 2, right hand side limit at 2 is equal to f2 plus h minus f2. And now when the value of the function greater than 2, we will take this branch f5x minus 4. So we write 5 into 2 plus h minus 4 minus 6. This is very important. I hope you have followed me. 5 into 2 plus h minus 4 minus 6, and limit h tends to 0. 6 plus 5h minus 6 by h, and this will be the value of the right hand side derivative at x is equal to 2 is 5. So now we will find the left hand side derivative at the point 2, and it will be limit h tends to 0, f2 minus h minus f2 by minus h. Now the value of the function at less than 2, you here observe, less than 2, value of the function less than 2 is equal to 2x square minus x. 2x square minus x. So now we write 2 into 2 minus h square minus 2 minus h minus 6 by minus h. And after solving it, we will get 2h square minus 7h by minus h. And limit h tends to 0. 7 minus 2h is equal to 7. What do we observe? We observe that right hand side derivative at the point 2 is not equal to left hand side derivative. So in this way we can solve this problem. I hope you have followed me. Now I want to solve the next problem, and this problem is problem number 5. This problem is problem number 5. My dear student, this problem is problem number 5, and this was also in the board examination, asked in the board examination. Find the value of a and b if the function f defined by fx is equal to x square plus 3x plus a if x less than equal to 1, bx plus 2 if x greater than 1 is differentiable at x is equal to 1. Let's start. Now given function is fx is equal to x square plus 3x plus a if x less than equal to 1, bx plus 2 if x greater than 1. Now my dear student, I want to find the differentiability of function at x is equal to 1. Limit h tends to 0, f1 plus h minus f1 by h. And limit h tends to 0, b1 plus h plus 2 minus 4 plus a by h. And it will be bh plus b minus a minus 2 by h. And finally, limit h tends to 0, b plus b minus a minus 2 by h. So this limit exists provided b minus a minus 2 is equal to 0. It is obvious. The limit will exist if b minus a minus 2 is equal to 0, and the value of right hand side limit will be b. Now see, what will be the value of left hand side limit? Limit h tends to 0, f1 minus h minus f1. And the value of the function at less than 1, try to understand. The value of the function at less than 1 is equal to what? X square 3x plus a. X square 3x plus a. Now we put the value here. 1 minus h square, 3 into 1 minus h plus a minus 4 minus a. So now 4 minus h. So now it will be 1 plus h square minus 2h plus 3 minus 3h plus a minus 4 minus a. The value of function at the point 1 is how much? You see, at the point 1, the value of the function at the point 1 is x square 3x plus a. X square 3x plus a. So now So the value of the function at the point 1, we put here x is equal to 1. So it will be 1 plus 3 into 1 plus a. That is 4 plus a. That is 4 plus a. So here it will be 4 plus a. So after simplification it will be minus 4 minus a. So limit h tends to 0, 5 minus h. And that is 5. So left hand side limit will be 5. So given that f is differentiable at x is equal to 1. So right hand side limit is equal to left hand side limit. So b is equal to 5. So now a is equal to b minus 2 is equal to 3. A is equal to b minus 2. Here given b minus a minus 2 is equal to 0. So what will be the value of a? The value of a is equal to b minus 2. Value of a is equal to b minus 2. And b is equal to 5. So a is equal to 3. A is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. Hence a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5 is the required solution. My dear student, in this way we can solve the different problems of differentiability. I hope you have followed me, you have understood, and you must have taken the notes. So I hope you have already taken the notes and you have already watched the videos, and by taking the notes, by attending regular classes, I hope you would be able to solve the problems of board examination also. Thank you very much.